Hula is everywhere today. Yeah? In foreign countries all over the world, they're learning to hula. Yeah? And so Prince Lot affords us that opportunity to bring the hula to the people, to the community. The Kanaka Maoli, or our own community, what's happening within the community, yeah, as far as hula is concerned. Well, we've seen what happened. Everyone in the lahui is dancing, yeah. Not only the keiki anymore, not only kane and wahine, it's the kupuna wahine and kupuna kane. Everyone is participating. I've never seen this ever happen in my lifetime, and I've experienced the Hawaiian Renaissance movement in the 70s. The hula is what kept us from losing our traditions and our culture in the 1970s, the hula. And today we have another reawakening. It's just so exciting. And I'm so happy that I'm still alive to see this. You know, and I never thought that I could ever experience another reawakening as huge as this reawakening. And the hula is what's going to move us forward into another era. And that's what hula is about. Hula is a sacred dance. It's a religious dance. Yeah? That's a foundation of our culture, our Hawaii, the hula. And that has kept us together as a lahui till today.